Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Today we're going to dyno an '07 Mustang with our Novi 2200 intercooled supercharger package. Why do I love this blower? I love it because back in my Fox Body days, the Paxton was the first supercharger I ever had. And then back when I got my '05 Mustang, I ran a Paxton for a couple years on that. So it's an awesome 3-valve supercharger. I'm going to tell you all about it. We are going to watch the pulls. Don't forget, check the description. I'll leave links to this kit. And then as well, subscribe and notify. Let's get started. All right, we're gonna take a little bit closer look at this kit right here. I've dug it. If you don't mind, come down and look at it. Don't forget, you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's this cost to get installed? It's the Novi 2200. So this is a larger supercharger than you find in our non-intercooled kit. So you might like our throwback package. It is a little bit less money, but it's a smaller 1200 series supercharger. The good thing about the 2200 is that will work down the road if you get a built engine. You can run a lot of boost on that, make a lot more power than what we're gonna see today. This car is automatic, it's 93 octane, and it's a factory stock car. So it's 2007, stock exhaust manifolds, stock cats, no other mods. Our kit, you get a Kenny-Bell booster pump, you get Kohler spark plugs, as well as our calibration, you get new injectors. If you buy the base Paxton intercooled kit, like off their website, you're gonna make maybe like 400 rural horsepower. The key to making a lot more power than that is our calibration. We've been doing this since 2005 on these kits right here. And then as well as if you're wondering like, hey, is this gonna be too much power for my stock engine? I'm gonna put a link to a video at the end of this. I'll talk to you all about how I feel is like too much torque on a stock 3-valve Mustang. But that's the Novi 2200 right there. You can get them in satin, you can get them in polished. So base would be satin, or if you're like a show car, you can get the inlet, the supercharger, everything will be polished. That looks really cool. Let's check out these dyno pulls. All right, I want to show you these numbers, so keep in mind, this package is for 05 to 10 Mustangs with a 3-valve engine. Doug, take a look. DynoJet SAE, this is a little higher than I expected. 469 rural horsepower. I was really shooting for 440, 450, came out great. That was at 6,400 RPM. Torque came in, rear wheel at 417 at 5,200 RPM. If you don't mind, maybe back up, show the full graph there. You can see I took it up to about 6,500 RPM. So yeah, that kit is a great kit. I mean, these cars stock, they make like 260 to the tires normally. It's like a bone stock automatic, 3-valve, rear wheel, maybe around 260. So you're adding about 200 to that. Torque coming in at 417. That's killer. On the street, this car is gonna be awesome. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. You can leave a comment, I'll try to answer, as well as you can check that description with a link to this particular kit right here. I will put a link to actually all our Paxton kits so you can see the cheaper non-intercooled versions if you want to look at that, as well as you can email quote@brenspeed.com, say what's that cost get installed, and then on our website we can ship it right out to you as well. Watch this video over here because that's where I'm going to explain like how much power is too much power, or should I say torque, on a stock 3-valve Mustang engine. Thanks for watching.